Now children, this is exercise 8.1 subtract question E1. Now this was the question. Now first, whenever it is a mixed fraction, we need to convert it into the improper fraction. So this step, I hope it's clear to you all. Now it is asking, so when this is the improper, when you will solve this, you will get the improper one. Now you just minus, since this is from, that means this number is bigger and this number is smaller. Now when you minus this, the answer will be 66 upon 15. But if you remember in class 4th we have done, we never leave a fraction like this. We will always reduce it to the lowest term, even if it is written or it is not written. So when you see this number, this can go by 3, as 6 plus 6 is 12. So that can go by 3. And 1 plus 5 is what? 6. So this will be 2 and this will be 5. Now just see, can this number be divided again? No, it's not divided again. That means your answer is 22 by 5. So does your answer end over here? No, your answer does not end over here, because you need to convert it into the improper. This is the improper fraction, so you need to convert it into the mixed fraction. So when you will divide that, it will be 4 times and this will be 2. So this is the question, this is the remainder, and this is the 5 written like this only. I hope your answer will be this only. The main confusion could be this one. So for this, whenever your answer is divisible, then you will divide it. So you will stop when your answer will not be divided by any of the number. And if your answer is coming, so this is the first point. Second point is that whenever your answer is coming in the improper fraction, then you need to convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is first point and this is second point. I hope now it is clear to you.